News coming in on Patni. Nasdaq-listed iGate Corporation is unlikely to follow through with a proposed offer for delisting Patni Computers, as a large investor in the company demands a much higher price than what iGate is willing to offer. Mohit now joins in with more details on that. What price are they asking for, and which is this large investor we're talking about, Mohit?
Tanveer, this is of course a hedge fund investor called Elliott Capital Management. They own about 10% stake in Patni Computer Systems, and in fact they have been increasing their stake through open market transactions, purchases in the open market over a period of time over the last 3-4 months or so. What we understand is obviously that Elliott Management has asked for a pretty steep price to actually tender their shares to iGate in a tender offer, a proposed tender offer that iGate has been planning for a while. We understand that Elliott Management is actually demanding a price of over 500 rupees per share, whereas iGate has expressed its inability to pay that kind of an amount. iGate is insisting that they can at most pay 425 rupees per share or make an offer roundabouts in that region really when they do go ahead and make a delisting offer. So clearly at this point in time it seems like iGate may probably scrap the plan of delisting Patni Computer Systems altogether. We've been picking up from various sources that iGate is insisting that that a delisting at a price excess of 500 rupees per share or an offer at a price excess of 500 rupees a share will make it very costly and unaffordable for the company, given the fact that they already have taken on so much debt to make the acquisition of Patni Computer Systems in the first place. Remember, iGate owns about 83% stake in Patni Computer Systems, so the holding is very high. Obviously, they do need to comply with SEBI norms, either delist the company or look at reducing their holding to around 75% and increase the free float in the market. But clearly, there seems to be a bit of a dichotomy there, and the tender offer may not actually come through.